Slow Homestead. I'm Carol. Come along as I unload some chicken feed and take it out to the coop. I'm going to use the E-Z-GO. We have a lot of clouds in the sky today. We're supposed to get some storm. This is looking into the south. This is the west and the north. Yeah, I think we are going to get something. Just going to go down here, the grass, the bumpy lawn. I had a friend who sanded her yard, sanded her lawn. I remember her telling me about it to fill in the low spots and make it smooth so it wasn't so bumpy. So I might have to do that one of these days. Alright, there's 4 bags of feed in the back of my pickup, and I'm going to carefully put them in the back of E-Z-GO and then drive them out to the backyard, to the coop. My weatherman says it's windy. There's my lovely workbench that I showed you yesterday. I'm anxious to use that. All right, there's the feed cans. Let's get the feed in them. Well, I got that job done. Now all of these cans are full of chicken feed. It's the layer pellets. They like them most of the time. But you know what? Their favorite food is wheat. They love the wheat. And of course, scraps from in the house and scraps from the garden. And weeds, and bugs, things like that. But these pellets have some nutrients in them that help them have enough protein to be sure. Other things like that that help them be healthy and strong. As you saw, I first of all opened the bags and I scooped in about half of the bag, maybe a little more than half of the bag, and then I was able to easily lift the bag up and dump the rest of it in. So each can contains 2 50-pound bags. That should last my chickens through Thanksgiving holiday and into the Christmas season. I try to keep these full as much as I can. It's kind of like your pantry, you know, if something is starting to run out, then you go to the store and you replace it, and hopefully you have a little storage going to where you also have others of the same item, and then you rotate those and use the oldest one first. So that's what I do with these feeds. Right now I'm working on that bucket right there that has the pink pail on top of it. It doesn't have as much feed in it as the others, as you can see, because this is the one I'm using right now. So that's the method for the layer pellets for the chickens. Good morning, ladies. How's everybody doing? Boy, some of you guys are molting. Yeah, looking straggly. I didn't harvest the wolfberries, or goji berries, whatever you want to call them, this year because I have a lot of juice and I just didn't want to take the time. But I did discover, if I can pick that off, that the chickens like them. Hey ladies, do you like those? Yeah, you love them. I should go prune that bush and just give them all to you. Yeah, they're so good, huh? These are asparagus berries that I harvested off some of my plants this fall. And if you take a little knife and make a little tiny slit on them, open them up, each one has about 5 or 6 black seeds in them. These are the seeds, the asparagus seeds. I'll put my finger right there so you can see the size of those seeds. Okay. I'm going to take these out and plant them in the places that my other seeds did not come up this summer. And I really want to do that before it starts to snow, which it may do any minute. So I'm going to go out there right now and take care of these seeds and let them grow and flourish, and in 2 or 3 or 4 years, I will have enough asparagus to share. Since I watered my lawn yesterday, this area gets watered along with it. And so the soil right here is really nice and soft. And I'll be able to plant these seeds. They only have to go in about 1/4 of an inch. So just use my finger, grab a seed, put it right there, and bury it. Okay, that's what I'm going to do for all of them. I put them on this white lid so I could see them well. Then I put the lid in this bowl that was wide enough to fit the lid, so that if they spill over the side or drop one or something, then this bowl will catch them. So that's the reason why I have 2 containers for these seeds. One so I can see them, one so I don't lose them. Alright, I've got my work cut out for me because there's a few here that did not germinate. However, many did, like that one, Where are you? Right there. That one. Several over there. Okay, I just felt a drop, so I need to hurry. I got that little job done, and it's starting to sprinkle just a little bit. And the breeze is blowing and the temperature is dropping, so time to go in the house. I'm going to cut open a couple of these asparagus berries just to show you what it's like. I just take my knife, it's serrated, it's really easy to cut through them. When you first pick up the berries off the ground or get them off the plant, they're kind of soft. And after you let them sit around in your house for a while, then they dry. But if you can see that, try not to get my hand in the way too much. Yeah, you can just peel off the outside. Sometimes when you cut into them, they just fall out, kind of like that. So this one looks like it had 5. All right. So, very easy to do, but tedious. Some things are. Okay, that's all for today. I still have things that I want to show you from things that I've been doing lately in the last week or so. I've just been quite busy trying to tie up all the loose ends that need to be done before winter comes. It's a big job, and I just can't get it all in one video. So stay tuned, there's more to come. And remember that even when you take it slow like me, you can accomplish a lot. Thanks for watching.